Okay, so search use global ignore files. So this setting controls whether to use global .gitignore and .ignore files when searching for files. So Git has a global gitignore file that you can configure so that Git will always ignore something in every repository on your computer. And with this setting, you can actually also remove those files and folders from the search. So essentially VS Code VS Code will access those global gitignore and ignore files and add that to the search exclude, has a search exclude pattern, right? So it will not search those files. I do not have a global gitignore or an ignore file, so it doesn't really matter to me. Now the question is, if I had a global gitignore, would I want search to not occur on those folders as well? I guess. Yeah, I guess that would make sense. You can still run a search specifically on a particular folder if you open it in VS Code. So even though I don't use global ignore files, I'm gonna set this to true.